With the official teaser video going live on the OnePlus Twitter handle, it seems like the OnePlus 6 launch is pretty imminent. That's why today at C4E we decided to bring you a rumor roundup of everything OnePlus 6. Hey guys, Sundar here from C4E and before we begin, here's a card to our latest giveaway. I'll also leave a link in the description below, and while you're down there, click on that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. New phone, new look. Let's talk about the OnePlus 6's design. Traditionally, OnePlus has taken heavy design cues from the Oppo R series. The OnePlus 5 was based on the Oppo R11 for instance. This time around, it seems that the front of the device is pretty similar to the Oppo R15. That means the OnePlus 6 will sport a notch to the top as well as thin bezels to all three sides. Coming to the screen itself, leaks indicate that it would be a 6.28-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels. Yep, the aspect ratio is 19:9 in order to accommodate the notch. The OnePlus 6 seems to join the growing rank of Android devices that are sporting both a notch above as well as a chin below. What do you guys think of this design? Love it or hate it? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Now, while we are pretty certain about the notch to the front, after all, OnePlus has already started defending it on Twitter, the back is where things get interesting. There are a lot of conflicting rumors, but let me first tell you about the bits that most of the rumors agree on. First off, there is a dual camera arrangement to the back. This was pretty expected. After all, the OnePlus 5 and 5T had both sported dual camera optics. What's changed is the position. Rumors indicate a centrally placed vertical dual camera setup. Just below that, we have an oval-shaped fingerprint scanner. What about the rest? Well, a leaked image from EV Leaks Twitter shows off a wooden back. The device in this render looks absolutely gorgeous and sports what looks like a wood grain finish along with metal edges. Interestingly, there is a Design by OnePlus logo on the back. Maybe this is an evolution of the style swap covers that we'd seen with the OnePlus 2. Now the other leak, that seems to point towards a glass back. Which one of these would you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Coming back to the glass back, this might mean that we see the OnePlus 6 sporting wireless charging capabilities. Dash charging is already quite famous in the tech world for its ability to top up OnePlus devices really fast, and I can't wait to see if OnePlus brings some sort of innovation to fast wireless charging. Speaking of internals, we expect that the new Snapdragon 845 chip will be running the show. Traditionally, OnePlus has always chosen to go with the latest and best silicon available from Qualcomm, and if this leaked Antutu benchmark is to be believed, we have a new Android speed test king on our hands. We have seen the Snapdragon 845 before in the Mi Mix 2S, and it can handle everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Wish I could say that about myself in this hot Chennai sun. Anyway, getting back on topic, we have the dual cameras. Now this is the one part of the phone that there haven't been many leaks about, so take all of this with a pinch of salt. There have been rumors that OnePlus would be going for the same 16 plus 20 megapixel sensor combination found on the 5T, with the same f1.7 aperture lenses. But given that smartphone cameras are all the rage these days, it's highly unlikely that we don't see an upgrade. So I assume OnePlus would probably kit this one out with some AI features, also maybe a bigger sensor with bigger sized pixels, maybe even OIS. Let's wait and find out. Anyway, let's wrap the leaks up with a few tidbits. We have the USB Type-C port as well as the headphone jack to the bottom. The OnePlus special alert slider is also supposed to make a comeback. And on the software front, we'd probably have Oxygen OS running on Android 8.1 Oreo. That means a stock Android-like interface, complete with a sprinkling of OnePlus's in-house features like face unlock, gesture navigation, ambient display, and others. Finally, we come to price. OnePlus has gradually been raising their prices. From the OnePlus 1 to the OnePlus 5T, it's been an incremental but steady increase. Rumors indicate that the cheapest OnePlus 6 variant will supposedly cost 3299 yuan, which would be 300 yuan more than the 64GB OnePlus 5T in China. As far as Indian pricing goes, the 5T is being sold for 33,000 rupees, so expect the 6 to be priced at around the 35,000 rupee mark. As for the higher end variants, leaks indicate that the 128 and 256 gig versions will retail for 3799 yuan and 4399 yuan respectively. For those of you in the US, this means the OnePlus 6 is slated to drop in at $525 for the base variant, with higher 128 and 256 gig variants going for over $600 and $700 respectively. If these rumors turn out to be true, then the OnePlus 6 will have some heavy competition. After all, in the US, the Galaxy S9 unlocked retails for just $720, a mere $20 more than the supposed price of the higher-end variant of the OnePlus 6. So that's it for this video. Once again, OnePlus is hiking prices. What do you guys think? Are you okay with this incremental price hike? Or have you already been turned off and are looking towards more affordable options like the Zenfone 5Z? Do let us know in the comments below. Has the flagship killer grown too confident? We'll have to wait for the release. Speaking of which, OnePlus is reportedly gearing up for an early launch. Looks like we don't have to wait till mid-June this time around. If you are hyped for the OnePlus 6, share this video with everyone and drop us a comment telling us what OnePlus 6 feature you're most excited for. If you hated this video, well, you know what to do. But if you did like this video, then drop us a giant like, subscribe to C4E Tech and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time a video goes live on the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Sundar from C4E Tech, leaving for the moment. Have a great day.